In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ApeChain to MetaMask. This process is essential for accessing ApeChain's unique features directly from your MetaMask wallet. By adding ApeChain as a custom network, you can interact with decentralized applications on this blockchain. Let's get started. First, open MetaMask. You will see the wallet interface that displays your account balance and transaction history. This is your gateway to managing your cryptocurrencies and interacting with different blockchain networks. If you have not yet installed MetaMask, you can do so by visiting the official website and following the prompts for your browser or mobile device. Once you have MetaMask open, you are ready to proceed with adding the new network. Next, click the menu icon located in the top right corner of the MetaMask interface. Depending on your version, this could be represented by 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots. This menu gives you access to various settings and options that enhance your wallet's functionality. It's important to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it contains tools you will frequently use. Once you click the menu, you will see a list of options available for your MetaMask wallet. From there, select the option labeled Networks, and then choose Add a Custom Network. This step is crucial because it allows you to input the specific details required to connect to ApeChain. Custom networks are a powerful feature of MetaMask that enables you to interact with different blockchain ecosystems. By adding ApeChain, you will expand your wallet's capabilities and gain access to its unique offerings. Now you will need to enter the following network details. For network name, input ApeChain. This name is simply a label for your reference, helping you identify the network later. Next, for the RPC URL, enter https://rpc.apechain.com. The RPC URL is important because it connects your MetaMask to the ApeChain network, ensuring that your transactions are processed correctly. Next, for chain ID, enter 33139. The chain ID is a unique identifier for the blockchain network you're connecting to. This prevents any confusion between different networks, ensuring your transactions are safe and secure. After that, for currency symbol, type APE. This symbol represents the native currency used on ApeChain, and it will be displayed alongside your balances. Finally, for Block Explorer URL, input https://apescan.io. This URL directs you to a Block Explorer for ApeChain, where you can track transactions and network activity. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click Save. This action finalizes the addition of ApeChain to your MetaMask wallet. You should see a confirmation message appear, indicating that the network has been successfully added. This step is vital, as it ensures your changes are saved and your wallet is now configured to work with ApeChain. After that, switch to the ApeChain network to begin using it. You can do this by selecting ApeChain from the network dropdown at the top of the MetaMask interface. This step is essential because it activates the new network, allowing you to interact with decentralized applications on ApeChain. You will notice that your wallet interface updates to reflect the new network. Note that you can also add ApeChain automatically through services such as Chainlist if supported. However, always verify the network details from the official ApeChain documentation or MetaMask before adding a custom network. This ensures that you are connecting to the correct network and helps maintain the security of your wallet. Never enter your secret recovery phrase when adding a network. This is crucial for your security. Your secret recovery phrase is sensitive information that should only be used for recovering your account. Keeping it safe protects your assets and personal information. With that, you are now set to explore and use ApeChain directly through your MetaMask wallet. Enjoy your experience.